friends, Merry Christmas or Merry Christmas in advance. So today I'll be trying look number 3 and it would be a butterfly thingy, and I have no idea how that is going to turn out. But you know me, I am the unprofessional. I make things that don't work, so we'll see. Okay? Don't let anyone kill the butterfly in you or whatever. Don't let anyone judge, or most importantly, don't let anyone judge your butterfly eyeliner. So you guys, today I'll be trying look number 3 and I'll be using yellow and orange color. So ooh, let's just get straight into it. I am excited because I'm on my spirit, on my Christmas spirit. So let's go. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Do, do, do. final butterfly look, Christmas look number 3. Okay, yeah, I must admit I went a little overboard with the butterfly thingies, because this was supposed to be less time consuming compared to the first look, but this also takes time because with the eyeliner you have to be like really careful when working with it. But the moral of the story would be, don't let anyone kill your butterflies. um more importantly, don't let anyone tell you your liner butterflies are bad. This is literally my first time doing this, and I think nailed it, huh? So yeah, if you think you can work with the liner, do try the butterfly things, and it would take you some time. And if you don't, then you can just do the red, and I mean, my bad, oh god. And if you don't, if you're not good with the eyeliner, you can just go ahead and try the yellow and the orangey look, and also it's just simple, and then you put your lashes on, you would also be good to go for a Christmas dinner or whatever occasion or food. So yes, this is it for look number 3. Bye bye friends, take care, continue to do you, boo, and of course remember to love yourself unconditionally, because that's all that matters. Yeah. So yes, Merry Christmas, many Christmas kisses from me with love, your friend Lerato P. Oh, fun fact, actually my name Lerato means love. Not that you asked, but whatever. Since you didn't, I'm telling you anyways, because I'm always doing the talking in this relationship. So yes, my name is love. So many Christmas kisses from me. Toodles. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad. Okay. It's too much.